What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Crash My Whip by iann Dior. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got 3 different chords that it just picks through, and that just repeats throughout the entire song. If you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, as well as the guitar tab that I made for you guys myself. It will be in the video description as well, so if you need either of those, jump into the description once you get done. They are there for you. So your first chord is going to be E flat minor. It's going to be 0, 6, 8, 8, 7, 6. So you're barring the entire 6th fret with your index finger starting on the A string. Then your ring finger is going to be on the 8th fret of the D string, pinky finger 8th fret G string, and your middle finger is going to be on the 7th fret of the B string. And then slide that down to a D flat major. Now typically I would say you're going to play this as 0, 4, 6, 6, 6, 4. But I found an easier way to play this, and for some of you beginners this is going to be much easier as well. What we're going to do is you're going to put your index finger on the 4th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, and then your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the B string. That's going to make it much easier to pick through this song. And then slide that down to a B major, and we're using that exact same formation, just on 2nd fret of the A string with your index finger, then 4th fret D string ring finger, and then 4th fret B string pinky finger. Now the picking for this song is very easy as well, because it's the same for each chord. You're going to start with that E flat minor, and you're going to pick A, D, A, B, D, A, D. A, D, A, B, D, A, D. Then slide that down to the next chord, pick the exact same thing. A, D, A, B, D, A, D. Slide that down to the next chord. Same exact thing, but you're playing it twice here. So A, D, A, B, D, A, D, A, D, A, B, D, A, D. And then that just repeats. So again. have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.